Hello, art heads. This is your girl Z Wazuri, and welcome to ZK Art Express. Today's lesson is going to be, or art lesson, so to say, it's going to be on drawing a high heel shoe from different angles. So I don't know if you guys have realized or not, but my last two videos I posted, I'm kind of doing this shoe kind of drawing series. So I did a video on how to draw a high top shoe from different angles, and then I did a video where I drew a just regular Converse shoe from the side view, and I also colored that in as well. So I'm really just on this shoe trend or shoe drawing bandwagon here. So I'm going to finish this series off with showing you how to draw again a high heel shoe from different angles. So we're going to do 3 different angles today, and that's going to be today's lesson. So first off, before we get started, of course, let me go over the supplies. I have a 9x12 just regular drawing pad here, a regular drawing pencil. Okay, this is by this brand right here. I don't know if you can see this, but you can get any type of regular drawing pencil. Okay, eraser. I got a Nitty eraser here as well to erase. Sometimes I like this eraser more than I like regular erasers. And then to color in the high heels, today I'm going to be using the medium color. I'm going to use a medium of, not color markers. Well, it is color markers, so that is the medium. And I'm going to be using the brand Posh markers. I think that's how you pronounce it. If not, excuse me. But I'm going to use these markers today to do my coloring in. Okay, so I got 3 different sizes. I got this smaller size right here. This I'm going to use for like line work when I line up the shoes and color it in. And then these 2 right here, these are more bigger tips. So I'm going to use them to color in the shoe once all is said when I'm done. Okay, so that's going to be the supplies that I'm using today. So let's get started. All right, so first thing first is, again, 3 angles that we're going to be using or going to be drawing, I'm sorry, from. So let's go ahead and start off from the first angle. This is going to be an angle from the front, right? Can never go wrong from with a shoe being drawn from the front, right, to see how the angle is and how the front view is. So I'm going to start out first with drawing me a box. Okay, this is going to help with my proportion when I get ready to draw the shoe. Okay, so this is going to be my box to help me draw it in. All right, and so let's go ahead and start drawing in the front view. One of the feet is going to be kind of like straight, and then the other one's kind of going to be like towards the side. Okay, so this is kind of like a mixed front side type of view. Okay, that makes sense. So we're going to draw another box. front. All right. Then let's do the third one. All right. And then this one is going to be completely kind of, I wouldn't say this is from the side. This is kind of like halfway turned side view. So I would say half side view, if that makes sense. Okay. That's what this is going to be. All right. So half sides view. Okay, there we go. So we have the front view, we have the front side view, and then we have like a half side type of view. Okay, if that makes sense. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's start coloring in. So I'm going to be working with the color green today. Okay, I'm gonna bring out the color green here, and bring out this white. Probably going to use some white and black for lining, and then any other more colors that we need I'll pull out, but that's probably what I'm looking at right now. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on the coloring. that is it. So we done coloring. We got the colors in right quick. Not right quick, but yeah, I think we did pretty quick. But we got them in pretty good here. I painted in blue and green, gave a little bit of highlight with the blue and traced it out with some black. And I think it looks good. Like I said, we have the front view, we have the front side view, and then we have the half side view here where you can see. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this and followed along. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe this video. Subscribe to the channel. And like I said, like the video and stay tuned for the next video and the more videos to come. Thank you guys so much. Ta-ta, and see you on the next video.